Corrosion. Have you ever wondered why the colors of some metals like iron, silver, and copper gradually change with time? This is caused due to corrosion. When these metals are exposed to air and moisture, they get corroded. In this video, we'll learn more about corrosion. When silver objects are exposed to air, they slowly turn black. Silver reacts with the sulfur in the air to form a coating of silver sulfide. The reaction of copper with moist carbon dioxide in the presence of air gives copper carbonate, which is a green coat formed on the copper substance when it loses its shiny brown surface. Rusting of iron occurs when iron is exposed to moist air for a long time, forming a brown, flaky substance. Now, let's perform an activity to check the conditions in which the rusting of iron takes place. Place clean iron nails in 3 test tubes that are labeled as A, B, and C. Some water should be poured into test tube A, and a cork should be placed on it. Boiled distilled water and about 1 millimeter of oil should be added to test tube B and covered with a cork. The air is prevented from dissolving in water due to the oil, which floats on the water. A small amount of anhydrous chloride should be added to test tube C, and it should be corked. The moisture which will be present in this test tube will be absorbed by the anhydrous chloride. The test tube should be left undisturbed for a few days and then observed. Note that the nails in test tube A are exposed to both air and water, the nails in test tube B are exposed only to water, and the nails in test tube C are exposed to dry air. So it's clear from this experiment that both air and water are needed for the rusting of iron. By keeping iron substances away from both air and water, we can prevent them from rusting.